हेलो दोस्त, वेलकम। मैं आपका दोस्त मनीष और आज हम लोग वी विल डिस्कस टुडे रिगार्डिंग द मैटर मेड अप ऑफ states of matter and the change of state. So before going to all these things, let us discuss about the matter. If you look surrounding your table, animal, plants, all these made up of something. Anything that acquire masses and space is called matter, and a large number of tiny particles made up of a large number of tiny particles held together and make a substance, and these substances are called matter. So according to the their nature, the matters are of three types: solid, liquid and gas. Before going to these thing details, suppose this is, we will take an example. This is a book. It has a definite shape, a definite weight, and it also acquire a space. So as we have discussed that the small particles, tiny particles, that is called molecules, held together and make a substance. So this is a substance, and according to this is a book, and this has a definite shape. So let us discuss about the solid, liquid and gas. When the molecules held together tightly, they cannot move from here to there. This book, if ये अपने से cannot move from here to there. So the what is the differences between the liquid, solid and gas? These, their molecules in solid, their molecules are closely packed. They have a definite volume and definite shape. This book has a definite shape. This blackboard has a definite shape. So in a solid state, the molecules are closely packed. They have a definite shape and they have a definite volume. But in a liquid shape, in liquid state, molecules are not tightly held together. So it means they can move from here to there. So that's why they have not a definite shape, but yes, they have a definite volume. Take an example of water. If you put a water in a glass, what will happen? It will be a glass shape. Water will be in a glass shape. If you will put in a bottle, it will be it will like as a bottle shape. So they have what we understand, they have not a definite shape, but yes, of course, they have a definite volume. How? Water, if we are putting water in our glass, so what happened? The water is in a glass shape. So the water, what happens? It's a volume like in a glass. So they have a not definite, they are not closely packed in a liquid phase, but yes, of course, they have a definite volume but no definite shape. So further continue. Gas. In a gas phase, the molecules are not held tightly, so they can move from here to there, and also they have not a definite shape and they have not a definite volume also. Take an example of gas. If you put a gas in a balloon, what will happen? It will be like as a balloon and that move from here to there. If you will put in a tire gas, they will take means it will be filled in the tire. So in a gas phase, what will happen? They have, the molecules are not tightly held together and they have not a definite shape and not definite volume. So let us now again discuss in the three phase what is the differences between solid, liquid and gas. They, in a solid phase, molecules are closely packed, but in a liquid phase molecules are not closely packed, and in gas, so it's not closely packed. In solids they have a definite shape, tear has a definite shape, volume. In a liquid they have not a definite shape, and in gas also they have not a definite shape. But yes, of course, in solid a definite volume, in a liquid a definite volume, but in gas there is no definite volumes. Now discuss the change of the states. Solid to liquid, that is called if the substances can change in together. So this is the change of the states. When solid converted into the liquid phase is called melting. Suppose an ice cream, when we put in a deep freezer, what will happen? That will comes in a water form. That is the melting. And liquid to gas is evaporation. When we heat a water, what will happen? The water will evaporate, form a vacuum. That is called a evaporation. Gas to liquid is called condensation, and liquid to solid is freezing. When we put ice, when we put some water or something else in a freeze, that what will happen? It will freeze. That will be converted into the solid state. Ice cream, that is the freezing. So hope you have understand all these things. Today we have discussed about the matter, states of the matter, solid, liquid and gas, and the change of the states. And if you think, if agar अच्छा लगा हो, then you like and subscribe. Further we will continue in the next classes. Thank you very much.